everyone, welcome to episode 4 of the News November series. Dabur announced its results for quarter 2 2021. We will discuss about it in today's video. Please subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon. FMCG major Dabur is an Indian consumer goods company founded in 1884. It is one of the largest Ayurvedic and natural product supplier. Competitive advantage. It has a network of 1.5 million retail outlets in urban and semi-urban areas. It has a varied product line ranging from hair care, oral care, skin care, health care, home care and food items. Since there has been a lot of focus on the health and hygiene nowadays, Dabur will be one of the companies which will get benefited the most. Dabur announced its results for September quarter 2 2020. Let's look at the highlights of the results. Dabur reported a net profit of Rs 482 crore in the quarter ended September 2020, a rise of 20% from Rs 403 crore in the same quarter last year. Revenue from operations of Rs 2516 crore in the quarter ended September 2020, a rise of 14% from Rs 2212 crore in the same quarter last year. The operational performance of the company was also better than expected as EBITDA rose 16% to Rs 569 crore from Rs 489 crore. Dabur declared an interim dividend of Rs 1.75 per share. The company has fixed 12 November 2020 as record date for the payment of interim dividend. Dabur's domestic business grew 16% year-on-year, much higher than the anticipated mid-single digit growth. The health scare because of pandemic led to robust growth in its healthcare business. Within the healthcare segment, sales of Dabur Chyawanprash grew more than 2 times. Let's talk about the share price of Dabur. Current market price is Rs 518. Dabur's price touched a low of Rs 387 in Corona times and even saw a high of Rs 527 as well. Dabur's price to earning multiple is 48 times. Peers Marico Limited and Godrej Consumer Products Limited are trading at multiples of around 37 times and 36 times respectively. Dabur's valuation looks comparatively pricey, but its earnings and overall performance should provide comfort to its investors. However, will high growth rate be sustained for Dabur's segment after the pandemic anxiety subside and everything is back to normal? I hope you got a quick review of the Dabur, its results and its valuation as per the market. Do like the video, share and subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon.